when ducks attack. Look how big this one is. Look, my mom, she's near this one.
Chuck this one. Put it on his back. When did swans come? When did they come? They go like that. Swan!
Look at all the geese and stuff.
What next? So we've got two ginormous swans, and ducks, and birds.
It's the attack of the ducks.
Look at the swans.
No, it's attack of the birds. Oh my God! We're being attacked.
Look at it.
I know, they're flipping huge. Why are we being attacked by ducks? Don't open the door, Bob. Flipping come in.
I've got a cheese.
Quick, jump door before it goes in.
It's scary, you know.
Oh my God, they're attacking the dog.
Good.
Move, duck. Geese.
Look, 800 grams of bread.
Don't bully him. They'll peck on you.
You're not throwing them all the bread.
I'm not. I'm trying to tease them.
Is it nasty?
Yeah, they'll flipping break windows. Bread! Bread! Oh my God, he's gonna end up eating my mom. Go away, you stupid Gary! Clap, it'll go away. Clap.
Oh, look how big it is.
Look how big his feet are.
Hello, you're head to head with me now. And your buddy. Ah! That's scary.
This is Chelsea's attempt to attack a duck.